You want to give a coffee snob a nightmare? Check this one out. Alright, this next lick is a fast rock pentatonic lick. You must have heard this one quite a bit before. It was very common in 70s rock and 80s rock, so it's a really good lick to start your solos off. And if you're just getting into solos and playing rock kind of solos, this could be a really good starting point. Alright, so sounds like this. It goes kind of like guitar faces. Yeah, you gotta do that. Pretty much we're doing 12th fret and 15th fret, and it's a repeating lick again. 15th on the E, 12th on the E, then 15th on the B, 12th on the E. Okay, so you could use your first and third fingers, or you could use your first, third and second fingers for that 15th on the B, whichever you like. Or totally up to your preference, alright? Whatever feels comfortable on your hand. So just to recap, 15th, 12th, 15th on the B, 12th on the E, and we repeat that. Alright, then same thing, but 17th with your pinky, 17th on the E, 12th on the E, then 15th on the B, and then 12th on the E again. Okay, so far we have okay, so that's 2 each, okay? Okay, now we're gonna do 1 each, but twice. Alright, and then end with a bend. And then end this bend is going to be a unison bend with some vibrato and some stank face and some real aggression on it. Alright, so the unison bend is I'm bending the 15th up to the 17th, but at the same time I'm hitting the 12th on the E string with my first finger. I'm hitting 2 strings and I'm hitting it with a lot of aggression and making the guitar face. Alright, so I'll do it slowly. Rock and roll. Alright, let's do that fast. You gotta do that fast. Got a bit carried away. Alright, so that was your fast pentatonic lick. If you like this kind of silly stuff, please subscribe to my channel, leave me a like, a comment, hit the bell button below, share it on your friends, give your friend a hug, give me a hug, so I can keep doing this and bringing in some nice licks and guitar lessons for you. Alright, until next time, cheers.